आप इसको ना लूटे ना थोड़ा पीछे चल के आइए ना थोड़ा सा आप पीछे आ जाता है बस 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 ये सब आइए कैसी हो
ये कैसा लगेगा बीट प्लास्टिक भी दिख जाएगा फिर या
क्या
बाहर आ जाना फ्रेम से बाहर है ना थोड़ा
Rashmi ma'am, can you look over here, please? While painting, please. Thank you. Beautiful.
हेलो
yeah so we played actually everything is right go to plastic free and the movement is happening such a way that the entire bunker is right bottles. So we plan Ashif.
Sir.
Oceanic building. The opposite Oceanic building. Yeah.
इधर
Hold, ma'am.
यस मैम लुक किया हम यहाँ पे
मैम यहाँ पे
Plastic bags. So there are many biodegradable bags which are coming in the market, which will be expensive, little, not very, but which will help for Mumbai to ban these single-use plastic. And we promote a lot of jute bags, and the effect of all this is like the stress of demand up and down. All the waste of public goods go there. Those 12,000 tons. Now it is 6,500. So we reached 4,500 people like you as a role model joining this and making it popular. It will really help us. All over Bombay. Big no. No to plastic and just to read. It's a group of the painters who are doing it. ये स्टेंसिल्स हटा लेना पहले ऐसे दस आस्था फ्रॉम कोको चैनल also with us.
Everybody come.
पीछे जाना भाई पीछे जाना
Yeah, better.
भाई पीछे जाना
और कुछ लोग बैठ नीचे बैठ जाइए
ग्रेसी मैम
गजिया को बोले थे कि नहीं गजिया
Give Trish one. हाँ
As we all know, we are all getting up for the 5th of June, the World Environment Day, and the precursors, the pre-plannings for the beach plastic pollution is happening. So every day we have our eco champs, we have our local groups here, who are all aligned to do various activities, be the Sochale, the Chakachak Bandra. All these whole groups are all involved in activities like painting the walls with the social messages, cleansing and cleanliness processes, the beach cleaning drives are on continuously, and the various campaigns to propagate the people, to counsel them to not use plastic, because plastic is non-biodegradable, and the serious effects, the implications of the use of plastic, how much of loss how much of loss it has to the marine life, to the animals, to our cows, those who consume, those who consume on garbage bins, they also consume plastics. So to create an awareness on a larger perspective, we have the United Nations who has propagated this campaign, and India is the global host, and we are very happy to be one of the torch bearers for this campaign of beat plastic pollution. And I'm sure it's going to be, it has got, on the 5th of June, that's the World Environment Day, we're having a beautiful a song that is being sung by all the renowned singers from the film industry. That's going to be unveiled at the amphitheater on Carter Road on the 5th June. So we're all here, the celebrities are voluntarily being a part of it. Gracie mentioned to me that she wanted to be a part of this great endeavor. So I'm very thankful that the film personalities, the celebrities, in spite of the busy schedules, are removing time and being a part of this great initiative. This highly shows their concern for environment. And I really thank you, Gracie, for all your support, and you've been very kind in coming here and painting a few walls here with our volunteers. So it's a very philanthropic thought with the film industry, with people from the sports. Sachin Tendulkar has also spoken very much for the beat plastic pollution, and so have all the film personalities, right from Shraddha Kapoor to everybody has volunteered in this campaign with us, and I'm very grateful to them, the children of the Ajinkya D.Y. Patil School. So all, it's been a fantastic teamwork. So I like you put it forth here.
Very, very thankful to you for enlightening us about plastic pollution. We were not even aware. Most of the people are not really aware in detail how plastic is harming. I think water and air is the most important elements we depend on today, and that is getting polluted because soil is getting affected. I think each and every person can make a lot of difference. Even if we make small changes in our life, it will really help. I have also personally made some changes, like I use my own copper bottle or glass bottle instead of plastic, and I'm using the jute bags for my shopping, no more plastic. And such small little changes can really help if each person will do this alteration. So I'm very, very thankful, and I congratulate you for this great campaign
Thank you so much.
and helping Mumbai.
No, we've
to
made
be
sure
aware.
that I mean, Maharashtra was the first state which which executed this ban to ban plastic, and I think we've been very swift. The hotel industry, the restaurants, the shops. There has been a very strategic campaign that's been happening from the past 2 months, and we can see the on-ground results also. As you know, Bombay is a very vibrant city. It does it does reciprocate to certain social aspects, and I think I should congratulate each and every individual who's played his role and who's done their bit in ensuring to beat plastic pollution. Okay.
So what does Seher would like to say?
So see,
You
I
have to
think
turn, yeah.
every...
Yes.
You have to turn this in.
No, it's fine.
Will it go
I
there?
think they will get.
Every young person's role to change their lifestyles and adapt to more sustainable lifestyles and plastic. I've realized that one single piece of plastic which I use for 5 minutes, one chocolate which is wrapped in plastic will outlive me, my children and my great-grandchildren. It will always remain in the environment for 500 years. And like Dad said, that people are changing, and now I realize that whenever I order food, I never get it in a plastic container. I always get it in a paper or any other container, which is very good. And I think that we all should stop using single-use plastic, because that, if we do that much also, there will be a great impact. And in our lives, it will be a very small impact, because we have to avoid using straws or plastic plates and all of that. But as a whole, on the environment, it will create a big impact. So I think everyone should stop using single-use plastic and start adapting to biodegradable and recyclable things. And if you cannot reuse a single thing, please refuse it.
And now out of plastic, the non-biodegradable plastic is obviously not to be used for, but there is reusable.
Yes.
Anything that you can reuse, you must use. So anything that you can't reuse, you must refuse. That's what
Yes.
is the catch line for this World Environment Day to beat plastic pollution.
And not only that, I've realized that even the air, what we breathe, has tiny microparticles, which is going to be very bad for our health. And even the human hormone system changes. It affects a lot. I'm sure the reason why we use plastic is because we don't realize that we are hurting someone. But on the whole, we are hurting a lot of people in the future. And even the oceans, the marine life is suffering a lot. There are 8 kgs of plastic found in seabirds. The fishes are dying. It's very bad. And I think that later on, if we don't stop using plastic, the plastic will weigh more than the fishes in the sea. It's that bad. Because every minute there's one truck or one trash truck which is dumped in the ocean without even thinking of it.
Basically, you would like to say a few words.
We're doing
campaign for our... It's great if we all realize and make a change in our lifestyle, because everywhere we see plastic today, and I'm very, very happy to know the awareness they have created in Mumbai itself, that all the hotels have now agreed to use the plastic instead of plastic straws, and the forks they are using the paper bamboo straws. So such small changes will also help a lot. So I would really like to thank everyone for coming here today and supporting this cause, and thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Madam, yes.
Can you move little that side?
Come this side one. Go before. मैडम थोड़ा अंदर और अंदर और अंदर मैडम आप और ये भी तो बस हाँ और कम इसको चुटकी
थोड़ा भी आगे करो।
आप बात
थोड़ा ऊपर। हाँ, थैंक यू।
वो दोनों प्लाकार्ड आगे ले लेना, ये वाला भी गिव इट टू भीम एंड छुट्टी। आपका पोगो का टीम ना
लुकिया
जी नीचे It will fall down.
भाई उसको बोलना फ्लैश रेडी
जी को थोड़ा सीधा करो। हाँ।
तानिया
फ्लैश
प्लाकार्ड टू देम, दिस टू
Richard, do the G better.
नीचे थोड़ा
अरे हमारे आए जी वेलकम मिस्टर आजाद गलावाला।
कभी गाना में गाया कभी मुझे को शायद पता नहीं थाईलैंड का आपके जो हुए ना। आइए एहसान भाई, आप भी आइए। पहले शान बाइक लेना इधर ही बैठक के लेंगे आगे छोटा बीमा सबको ये लेना ना अपना वो प्लाकार्ड ले आना। हाँ नहीं इसको ले लीजिए भाई। अच्छा ये वाला बैठा क्या बात है, ले लीजिए। हाँ बच्चों तक पहुंचना ना हमें, ज्यादा मेन एम्बेसडर। हाँ जाओ थोड़ा बीमा के बाद चले जाओ।
एक मिनट।
हाँ कर लो भाई। कहाँ पहुँचे सर? थोड़ा अंदर हो जाना भाई, थोड़ा पीछे हो जाना। आ रहा है ना मैडम थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ। सैनिका नहीं दिस थोड़ा मैडम पीछे Today you will see Pooja even painting the walls. Pooja says, call me. हमारे ना female, call me. Yeah, dirty my hands like same here. No hanging at 5 stars and. You can buy coffee at 5 separate. That's allowed. No plastic on your face either. Went longer, I think.
Thank madam.
He very promptly gets it, but I must say. I'm like that. How are you? Are you hiding over there? Come here. You have to be right in front. You can't make Adil hide here. He has to be right here. Come on. He's the one. Finally, we are meeting. You have the best life. You are traveling, then you got pretty girls like Kangana Ranaut coming to your bungalow. Then you got me only calling you when there's troubleshooting required. I know. Now you have to go after another. Go on, do it. You saw it.
Our heart and soul is all.
Otherwise, but people like me, where are you from? I said Bandra first. They have to help us because following that traffic line. I was ready. Zafar was ready. I think the traffic number is sick of me sending them WhatsApp. Every day I send them 4-5.
Let's all have a picture.
Please.
David, come.
सबसे एक लाइन सबको गाना पड़ेगा couple of times father maybe should dance come together out here ना board officer भी आ रहे हैं हमारे गाड़ी जी लोग जल्दी लोग पिक्चर लो यहाँ पे जल्दी लेने का ना
Keep this in our mind and in our heart in whatever way if we can discuss.
Use those are really better for environment and to sustain have a sustainable development. We should adopt alternative methods. That's the thank you Bangla Foundation for saying no plastic.
कर रहा हूँ कि माइक पे सिर्फ महराज की आवाज़ इतनी ज़ोर से कैसे आ सकती है। हाँ तो मैं भी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मैं भी ज़रा ज़ोर से बात करूँ कि अपनी भी किसी और की भी आवाज़ एक बार। और महराज ने एक बात जो कही ऑफ कोर्स इनिशियली कही कि हाउ डू वी डिस्कार्ड प्लास्टिक। आई थिंक दैट इज द मेन ट्रबल। डू नॉट डिस्कार्ड प्लास्टिक। जैसे आप प्लास्टिक को डिस्कार्ड कर यहाँ आ जाता है, यहाँ आ जाता है और प्रदूषण फैलाता है। सो इफ पॉसिबल इफ यू हैव यूज्ड एनी प्लास्टिक आइटम कीप इट विद यू। देयर आर इनफ रिसाइकलिंग centers, there are bins, there are places, there are people who will collect it for you. Do not discard one-time use plastic. That is the main thing. If you cannot, and the famous line, if you cannot reuse it, refuse it. तो मैं आपको मैं खुद ऐसी चक्कर में फंस गया था। अभी इतने सालों से हम लोग शोज करते हैं, हर शो में सामने प्लास्टिक बोतलें रहते हैं। Where you know keep sipping whenever there's a little कोई गिटार बजा रहा है तभी आप थोड़ा गले को lubricate करने के लिए प्लास्टिक की बोतलें रखते हैं। इस बार बैंगलोर गया था, मैंने प्रण ले ली कि मैं प्लास्टिक की बोतल से पानी नहीं पीऊंगा और आई वाज रियली वंडरिंग कि वॉइस को क्या असर होगा। बट आई थिंक आई गॉट लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ ऑल्सो। साथ साथ आई थिंक प्रॉब्ली रमजान का महीना भी चल रहा है तो उसी से भी सोचा कि 10-10 घंटे बिना पानी पिए गिरे तो ये 2 घंटे कर लूंगा। और डू द शो वेल एंड in all that we got a pledge from the director of Bangalore Airport to make Bangalore Airport 100% plastic free. So the news can spread once you make an initiative. So bas we are from a generation where we were actually surviving without disposable plastic. We were okay with that. Filter पानी से आराम से पी लेते। आजकल रेस्टोरेंट से जाके ही पूछते mineral water, bottled water. तो जो youngsters है, there's nothing wrong with the filtered water. Just trust it. Keep your immune strong and try जितना हो सके to use bottled water. Unless कोई उपाय नहीं है, then definitely go ahead with it. But try and make minimum use of that. And if you are using it, make sure that you keep it with you and put it into recycling places rather than just throw it out of the window or the house or into the garbage.
ये होता है अनुभव का असर। देखा कैसी कितनी सारी चीजें जो मुझे नहीं पता मुझे आज सीखने मिली। So if you can't जी जिन्होंने हमारे साथ बीच क्लीनिंग की, जिन्होंने वर्सोवा बीच क्लीनिंग का एक्चुअल इनिशिएटिव जो लिया था वो पूजा जी हैं। द अफरोज शाह अगर आप नाम सुनते हो तो पूजा जी was the one to actually support him and make him what he is today. Thank you so much, Pooja ji, and Bangla Foundation very thankful.
Try and stay away from the mic. I rather go out in the morning for my walks and I trouble Gadishi's team very much. It's what I'm always taking photographs and I'm sending it to Prakash Goelji and saying, sir, why is the kachra here, kachra there? And they promptly move it. But I believe very strongly that, you know, not at all. Not at all. No, I believe very strongly that I'm a Bandra girl. When people ask me, where are you from? I say Bandra before I say Bombay or Mumbai or I say anywhere else. So the point is that I love this part of town and I've grown up here. I am who I am because I am a Bandra girl. And it's a shame when I see my fellow citizens and I see my neighbors kind of completely disregarding the Bandra that they claim to love very much. It's not enough to merely blame and point fingers at the authorities. We have to begin with ourselves. We have no problem discarding garbage. We have a huge problem when picking up that garbage. Why? If you can discard it, I can pick it up. If I can discard it, you can pick it up. So I mean, the jewelry that I wear is made out of actually recycled rubber tubes. So the thing is that the change must begin with you. Enjoy your cup of coffee. Take a cup from your home. Don't take that cup that Starbucks or whoever gives you and discard it in 5 minutes. These little things go a long way, guys. So if you really love Bandra, then walk your talk. Go out there. If you see a citizen, if you see your neighbor discarding something, stop and tell them, hey, this is not what you should be doing. We've got to help the authorities to help us. We've just become a bunch of, you know, blamers and people. It's very easy to go online and tweet and retweet. But how many of us actually walk our talk? And there's a great line that I read, you know, which says that we do not inherit the earth from our parents and ancestors. We borrow it from our children. So I do believe that we owe a lot to the future generations and we owe a lot to ourselves. So if you love Bandra, then don't litter for God's sake and pull up your neighbors. All of us supposed to be educated people living in the H ward. Why is there so much of garbage that's coming out of here? Why are we dumping all our stuff so indiscriminately? So can we just please kind of be a little bit more conscious and begin with ourselves? Only then constantly, oh the BMC this, oh this one that. It's not enough to blame people. Begin to pick up one piece of plastic and that one piece of plastic will go a long, long way. So I've said enough, now let's go see the painting.
पूजा जी पहले दिल है कि मानता नहीं तो बराबर हर बात everything whatever you say दिल मानता है पूजा जी thank you so much thank you each and everyone let's paint let's send the message across beat plastic pollution and let's all take a pledge Hashim
Pooja ji, we start with your thoughts.
My thoughts are simple. Be the change. Begin with yourself. It's not enough to merely blame the authorities and blame people and say that, hey, why is our environment or why is our neighborhood not clean? We've got to think about how we discard single-use plastic, why we use single-use plastic. There are little changes that one can make, whether it begins with kind of carrying your own cup to a Starbucks and kind of instead of taking a cup that is going to be thrown away, like Sean said earlier, not using a plastic bottle that is going to be discarded immediately after use, carrying a bottle from home, carrying water from home. These little things go a long, long, long way. And like I said earlier, there's a great line I read which said that, you know, you do not inherit the earth from your parents or ancestors. You borrow it from your children. So we need to think about the future. It's not just ours to use and say, oh, we're not going to be alive in 50 years, so who cares anyway? If that's the way it's going to be, then there's going to be no earth left. So let's I mean, the Bandra that we grew up in, there was not so much junk and there wasn't so much of filth. But I believe that citizens have become a little apathetic. We don't care about what's happening beyond our houses and our air-conditioned cars and our air-conditioned homes. So we need to go out there and take charge. And I kind of applaud Asif for taking this stand. I think beautifying Bandra in this manner and painting the roads, etc. A little art, a little beauty goes a long way. So, you know, if it prevents people from kind of throwing something there or spitting or kind of junking, I think then that's fantastic, you know. And I think it's going to be finally left to us artists to say some really provocative things and do some really provocative things. So I think we've got to go out there, and Sean's put his energy and love into making this lovely song. So let's kind of just go out there and make Bandra what it was before and make the earth what it was before.
Completely agree with Pooja, and of course, you know, a lot of us take to social media to vent out our feelings, but rather than that, I think step out and do things like that makes a lot more sense. And you know, make an example of yourself. Like, I mean, everything that you said is all I'm going to echo again.
Yeah, just little things go a long way.
Yeah, just every little thing. And of course, when you talk about beautification, it's about a lot of it is to with cleanliness also. So even if you have beautiful, now we're going to be going here painting, and along that side, if you're going to have you know, some wafer packet or some bottle around, it's not going to look nice. So try and avoid these things, keep these things, don't litter around. If you have to use disposable plastic, then keep it with you. And there are enough recycling centers that you can take it to, or there are people who can collect it for you. But figure it out, don't just throw it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, H-Waste Ward and MCGM supports this bid plastic pollution. State government has come up with a policy to ban plastic. Plastic actually not, we are not considering only plastic. Dry waste, it's a wealth. We can reprocess, we can again bring it to the environment. Again, we can reuse it. So it's not a waste. We should not litter. We should keep the city clean and we can process the waste. Reduce, reuse, recycle. This is the mantra, and nowadays with plastic pollution. Don't use plastic. BMC will support this kind of cause with all heartedly. Thank you.
See, I think every young person should make it their responsibility to not use plastic, because a plastic piece which I'll use for 5 minutes, like Cadbury, the packet will remain in the environment will outlive me, my children and my great-grandchildren. And then apparently we are breathing plastic also now, because there are small tiny microparticles which are there in the air. And the marine life is also depleted because of plastic, which is very wrong.
Well said.
So intricately said, we don't empathize with everyone. Why don't we just pick a dog, for example? We don't empathize with a dog. When a dog goes, the stray dogs, they roam around, they go around to the bins. How do they get food? They feed on plastic. Now if we're going to waste that plastic, there's going to be so many toxins that are going to be intoxicated inside them. So we need to learn to empathize. And like we talk about ourselves being educated, we're wasting everything. So even though we say we're educated, are we really educated? So we should learn to really empathize with our environment, because 10 years down the line, it's us who are going to live in this. That's why the youth should be involved too.
I agree, and I would like to butt in there, because I think down the road, sir, we have a corner where all the young people sit and eat every evening. And when I go for my walks in the morning, I find the maximum amount of kachra and plastic over there. When we used to hang around at tiffin and all, when we were young, we would kind of pick up the stuff that we would kind of, we would not leave it on the road. So hello, the youth of Bandra and the youth of Mumbai, can you please get a little bit more responsible? Like you rightly used the word empathy. Can we use more empathy towards the next person, towards every living being? And then I think together we can kind of make huge changes.
Thank you.
Thank you.